In the previous video we were doing a different example. In this video I'll be continuing it for the second question. So here, as I told you guys earlier, that whenever we need to calculate unknown side, we have to look for three things. The first thing is the acute angle. The second thing is the side given to you, and that's 5 centimeter over here, and the side which is unknown, that is y centimeter. Then my second step is I will be labeling my sides according to my acute angle. So if I consider this as my acute angle, then because this side is just in front of my acute angle, it will be my opposite side, as this side is opposite to my right angle triangle. That's my hypotenuse. And then I will be writing out the mnemonic which I know about the ratios. So chi and tau. Remember to pick up three things. The first thing is your acute angle, the second thing is the side given to you, and the third thing is the side which is unknown, which you don't know about. Fine. Then I will choose the ratio which involves the three things. So if I see that, that's again the sine which fits the best here. So sine of the acute angle is opposite upon, that's opposite, that's 5 centimeter upon hypotenuse. लेकिन यहाँ पे एक चीज़ अब डिफरेंट हो रही है. पहले एग्जाम्पल में हमारे पास जो है ऑपोजिट साइड अननोन थी, हाइपोटेन्यूज हमें गिवन था, लेकिन यहाँ पे अब थोड़ी स्टोरी चेंज हो रही है. वी आर नॉट गिवन द हाइपोटेन्यूज एंड वी आर गिवन द एडजेसेंट, सॉरी, द ऑपोजिट साइड. So let's see how we work it out. Again, my ratio. First, remember to write the formula. It's very important. You'll get 1 mark for that. Sine theta is equals to, so sine, the theta, the acute angle given to me is 37 degree. So here, sine of 37 degree is equals to, what's my opposite side? My opposite side is 5 centimeter divided by my hypotenuse, that is my y centimeter. Now I need to find the unknown. मुझे unknown को find करना है, लेकिन एक प्रॉब्लम है. यहाँ पे ये जो y सेंटीमीटर है ये तो डिवाइड हो रहा है. अब इसको हम कैसे फाइंड करें? हमें इसको अकेला करना होगा. अब अकेले कैसे करें? इफ़ आई टेक दिस 5 सेंटीमीटर ओवर हियर, तो क्या छोड़कर हमारे पास वी विल गेट y मल्टीप्लाइड बाय साइन 37 degrees is equals to 5 centimeter. अब क्या हम y को अकेला कर सकते हैं? Yes, we can. Now there is no barrier here. So here this y was multiplied, I think the sine 37 was multiplied by the y. So when I make y alone, I will need to bring this whole thing from here to here. So here it was multiplied. When I bring it over here, it has to be divided. So 5 divided by sine 37. अब क्वेश्चन ये होगा कि अगर मुझे y को अकेला करना है तो मैं y को यहाँ पे क्यों ले गई? इसको आप इस तरीके से भी देख सकते हैं. कैसे? कि अगर मुझे y को अकेला करना है तो मुझे इस 5 को यहाँ पे लेके आना होगा. अब यहाँ पे 5 जो है, अगर देखा जाए तो 5 इस फॉर्म में 5 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 1 अपॉन y. इसलिए जो बेस्ट चीज़ हमें लगती है वो ये है कि वी टेक दिस y देयर. Basically we're shuffling it out. This is the way of shuffling it. So then if you use the calculator to calculate our answers, we will be getting y is equals to, so how will you calculate 5? Then we have divide sign here, then we have sine, then we have 37. Again, wait a second. So again 5 divided by, see, this is why I told you guys that y brackets are important. अभी तो मैं अपने कंप्यूटर का कैलकुलेटर यूज़ कर रही हूँ, लेकिन अगर आपके पास आपका कैशियो का कैलकुलेटर है, you can use the many ways of doing this. You can either use the formula, the fraction form. You can use the brackets here. So I'm using the brackets. You just saw it with your own eyes that what was happening when I was doing it without the brackets here. Because our calculators read in different forms. We need to make them read the way we want to. So here 37. So what we can do is first we will calculate the sine of, do it this way, 37 and then sine. So of course I just took out the sine of 37 because ये तो different calculator है तो आपको time लगेगा इसे करने में. So sine of 37 degrees is actually 0.6018. Here I have taken 4 figures. Otherwise actually you take the whole thing. लेकिन क्योंकि आपको मैं यहाँ पे लैपटॉप पे करके दिखा रही हूँ, so it is not possible for me to just take the whole thing and do it again. I'm just going to give you a rough idea. लेकिन ये बात याद रखिएगा कि whenever you're doing in your calculators, you will save this value with the function of answer. You can see A and S function over there. तो क्योंकि देखिए अगर हम ज़रा सी भी place skip कर देते हैं, so our answers, you don't get to see that the answers are changing, but they're actually changing in points. So then when I clear it out, so 5 divided by 0.6018, you're getting 8.304. So you'll be getting y is equals to 8. Again, because this is not the properly calculated answer, this is a rough idea. So when you will doing in the calculator, you will get a more precise and more accurate answer. 8, 4. I have taken 4 figures here. I'll be rounding off further into 3 figures. This is my first, second and the third figure. इसको हम underline करेंगे, इसको हम circle करेंगे. This 8 is more than 5, so plus 1 to the 0, I'll be getting 8.31 centimeter. This was how we are supposed to calculate the unknown side of our right angle triangle. So you can see that the approximated answer is basically 8.31. Again, I need to clarify one thing very precisely कि अगर आप लैपटॉप से करेंगे तो your calculator might not be doing it the way you want to, so you will have to take approximate answers. यहाँ देखिए मैंने जब राउंड ऑफ किया, I'm getting my answer as 8.31 क्योंकि ये राउंड ऑफ किया हुआ into 3 significant figures. Now for practice purpose, you will be doing, you can do these questions. Let me clear the screens off. These are 2 questions. You can do it for your practice purpose. Remember to keep in your mind that we have to focus on 3 things: the acute angle given to you, the side which is given to you, and the side which we need to find out. When you know these 3 things, then you will focus on your acute angle. फिर आप अपने sides को label करेंगे, फिर आप वो ratio select करेंगे जिसके through आप अपनी unknown sides find करने वाले हैं. याद रहे, अगर आप proper labeling नहीं करेंगे अपने right angle triangle की, so you guys can make, or you guys can get wrong answers. Even if you're doing it right, you guys can make it wrong. So I hope it's helpful to you guys. Thank you for watching, and if you guys don't forget to share and subscribe, and if you guys have some questions, you guys can write me at rahatphone@gmail.com. Thank you so much.